Integrated Forklift Safety Management System. It is suitable for any forklift and complex operating environment. With modern technology, it improves forklift safety and efficiency. 1. Travel Track System. After installation of the system background will automatically record the movement tracks of each forklift via a related device. The administrator can view the record via a mobile phone or PC and optimize the driving route based on the data. When the system records normal data, it will automatically give a reminder to the administrator to deal with the problem. For example, assume the normal trip is 200 meters long. During a certain period of time, the length of driving route always reaches 500 meters. According to the system warning, the administrator can know and handle some issues on the optimum driving route more quickly, such as unreasonable road congestion, based on the statistics of the number of times of travel on each line inside the warehouse. The system will automatically generate a thermodynamic chart of trip tracks, which clearly distinguishes busy section from free sections. Therefore, the administrator can plan the optimum driving route and avoid road congestion. As for long routes caused by unreasonable arrangement of goods, the system will actively give a reminder to modify the layout of goods in order to save a long travel distance. In the long-term work, collision is unavoidable for the forklift. The time and place of each collision will be recorded in the system database, and the administrator can acquire and view such data at any time. Based on the collision data, the system will automatically generate a reminder of risky locations in the warehouse, so as to prevent the same accident from happening for a second time. 2. Zoning Speed Limit System. The forklift sensing system can identify sensing equipment at the exit entrance, such as electronic sensing levels, speed limit signs, special warning signs, etc. In this way, the system is able to recognize the area where the forklift is located in order to distinguish indoor buildings from outdoor buildings and other buildings, and realize the maximum speed limit in different areas. 3. Active Collision Avoidance System. Compared with traditional collision avoidance system, TankNet Intelligent Collision Avoidance System has made a great improvement. The traditional collision avoidance system only recognizes pedestrians but does not recognize other non-moving objects, or recognizes all objects, and then decelerates or stops the forklift. Both schemes bring potential safety hazards and causes a serious impact on the work efficiency. TankNet Intelligent Collision Avoidance System is able to discriminate pedestrians and general objects and take different safety control measures. For pedestrians, it actively decelerates and stops the forklift at a longer distance. For forklifts or other objects, it actively decelerates from closer distance, considering operation in the narrow space, blind angle, or the occurrence of general objects. In this case, it will only decelerate the forklift but not stop the forklift, so as to achieve a balance between safety and efficiency.